Good morning. We have this HP that has a power button issue. It doesn't respond at the time when you press it. It malfunctions a bit, and it's been an issue for the customer. But it needs a little bit of experience to be able to fix it. Though it's not a complicated job, it's just something that we have to open up the power button and reset the metal that is touching the positive and the negative points. So we'll do that immediately. So we've actually removed the metal and we've cleaned the dusty parts that is blocking the both ends of polarities. And now we're setting up the metal on the sockets. So for us to get this done with, we had to check how this other one is being placed to get it in a proper direction. So finally we're done with, and we can see now that it can go off and go on at the same time as prompted.